man. Like that. Oh no. Like my guess. One dog. Got it.
For a second, I thought it was going to be too big for my rod. But he's fine.
Ooh, I see it. Ooh. Heck yeah, bro.
Yeah. It's nice one.
Really good one.
Look at healthy. Huh?
Magic.
Oh, you got a trailer.
Yep.
Oh,
Let's go, Rollo. Oh yeah. Everyone's on now. On the board. Oh, white sea bass! White sea bass!
okay. Legal? Legal?
No. A good one though. A good one.
All right. Turn on the camera. Here, put the phone down.
Oh yeah.
Rod down.
White sea bass, baby.
Camera on, John?
Yep.
All right.
Look at that thing.
All right, we'll get him up.
Okay, here we go.
Let him fight him.
Fight him? Alright, tie him up. Alright, got you. Got you. Check that out, you guys.
Go ahead, video this. Get Johnny on the video. Beautiful.
Nice.
Way to go, John Dog.
Yeah. That's what we came for. Alright, here we go.
Don't try to bounce him. We'll grab the line and get him up.
Okay, who's gonna grab him? Oh, I can't even reach down here, bro. Let me try to get.
Grab the line. Pull him in.
Okay.
Huh? Yeah, I saw him. They're right on top. Go to the bottom and we start breaking it.
Got it.
Alright.
Yes, sir. There you go. That's all you, buddy.
Get a picture of this bad boy.
Oh, heck, your video, everything. Alright, picture man D. Calico. Yeah. That's a good one. Let's keep going. There you go, Rollo. Another one. Rocking the white sea bass right now. Jeez.
Camera on, John.
Camera on. Oh, another one.
Oh my.
That's a nice one.
That's nice.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, he's running. He's running.
Keep him in the water, John.
Yeah.
Go belly up, John.
Yeah, keep him in the water.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh shit. You guys, are you guys watching this? Dude? This is sick.
Back up, Eagle.
You ready back up, D?
Oh, whoa.
Look at him, D. Damn, bro. What the heck?
Eagle one, dude.
Bro.
That one's gonna
Oh, damn, bro. Oh, my thumb. He burned my thumb. He's burning my thumb. Don't go in the kill. I need to pull him back. Come here.
Go easy.
Yeah, go easy on
Take
it.
him easy. Yeah, get that.
That would look eagle.
What's the limit on it?
Don't go in the kill. Don't go in the kill. Dude, this one's
It was
crazy.
like bigger than that, bro.
All right, Johnny, I'm gonna hold up right here.
Okay. Oh, he's up top again. We're good.
Move down the boat. Whatever.
He's right here. He's coming towards us. Look at him.
No, he is. Oh, this is good, Ruben. I don't know. Come check this.
Oh, damn.
I don't know if it's legal. We'll get him on. Where's the boga? Here, give me that.
It's a double.
All right,
Double,
Norm.
baby, double.
Norm, what's the?
28.
No, we're not gonna get 28.
28.
Okay. Johnny, don't back up. You
Okay,
know what
okay.
you do. The face over here. Diego, go move my rod out of Norm's. Keep his head in the water, Johnny. Don't let it out. Okay, you got the boat. I got Johnny. Keep an eye on Norman. Norman's working.
I got it.
All right.
Check that out, you guys.
Carry him out. Get that bigger one.
I got him. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna get him on.
Okay.
You got the boat?
Yep.
Here it comes.
All right. Head him over here.
Okay.
Start the line. You start the line. Bring him in. Bring him in like that.
Heck yeah.
All right,
Look
you got
at that.
Nah, that was gonna be
Bro.
Picture.
Bro.
Photos.
What?
Photos.
Bro, you guys, what's going on?
Here, wait, you want to get
Oh
the
my
doubles?
goodness.
You want to get the hookup?
Oh, there's-
Camera on them?
yeah,
Jeez.
dude.
That is a
Get Norm, get Norm
monster.
in there, get Norm in there. The doubles. Heck yeah, Norm.
Here,
Woo.
here.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Come here, slide.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna measure this guy. Ooh.
Good, Johnny?
Yeah, good.
Johnny's good.
Let's check him.
I got your watch.
Okay. Let's check this guy.
It's a mustard hook.
With the mustard. 28. 20, 29.
Oh, that was a keeper, dude.
This is a keeper, but what are we gonna do with it?
Keep them, Johnny.
I don't want to keep
We're,
him.
we're gonna cut it. We're gonna. That's for your grandma, dude. You're gonna just bleed it. Don't cut it.
Let's make sure, G.
It's up to you, Johnny. Your fish. You don't want to keep them, let them go. I would. Your grandma. We can definitely eat that thing. That's a good fish.
Just one.
They're excellent. Yes, yes.
Okay.
What is it? Let's see.
So we got.
Got another one. I could pull this one up easy. Check this out, dude. Check this out. You want to see how a real fisherman do it? How they do it? Check this out. Check this out. Ooh, get him in there. Yeah, baby. I got it. Thank you, D. I think I could grab him right here, no? You think he's gonna bite me? I don't think so. Look at that.
Easy.
Easy. Get him in there. Free, dude. This is crazy. Non-stop bites, white sea bass. Let's keep going. Rollo, let's see. Oh, I'm on. Oh, no, I'm not on. Another white sea bass, you guys. Another one. And I'm on two right now. Oh, damn. Yeah, baby.
Another one?
Oh, yeah, he's on. Oh, and he popped off. Woo-hoo-hoo. Everyone's getting on. Everyone's getting on right now. Come on, baby. Flip him in the yeah, that's how you do it. Let's see another one. Oh, calicos, white sea bass are biting. There you go, Norm.
Thank you, sir.
Heck yeah, bro.
Back it up. Oh, yeah, they're still here. Back it up. Oh, I see you don't want to run them over, huh, Rollo?
Yeah.
Okay. Stay back so we can capture them.
Yeah.
Grab the line.
Look at that.
Grab the line,
Grab
grab
it, D. Yeah, look at that. More sea bass, baby.
Get them over the rail.
Ooh. Let's see what it is. Another white sea bass, baby. Yeehaw.
I'm gonna get us over there once Johnny.
I'll get him over. I got it. I'm gonna pull him up. I got it. Oh, Lauren's on too. I'm gonna grab him by the mouth.
All right, triple hook.
Triple hook.
Oh, damn.
Come on, baby. There we go. Okay, I got it. Oh, it fell off. I got it. I'm gonna grab him by the mouth. Don't close on me, brother. Look at that. Like that thing? No picture. Oh yeah, baby. Another one. Triples, baby. Hold this.
Yeah.
Let's get the third one. Yeehaw. I'm gonna throw this one back. That's the third one, baby. Oh, that's so sick, dude. Heck yeah. I like it. Don't get stuck in that cup. I see you. I see you in that cup right now. Oh, I got him out. Yeah. He's a fighter.
Another one, Johnny?
Another white sea bass, baby. He's fighting me though. Look at him. Woohoo. Dude, look at this. He's a fighter, bro. Look at him. Oh yeah. Doubles.
Fire.
Dude, what's going?
Oh. Let me keep you there, Norm. There you go.
Yeah, Norman.
We hold you right there. Huh?
Come up, baby. Come up. Oh, and he came off. There he goes. There's one.
Oh,
It's getting orange.
on it? Yeah, it does.
Let's see Norman's.
Oh, I gotta turn it off.
Get him, Norman. Let's see.
Man, it's crazy with light tech.
32-incher. Come on, Norm.
Give me the stick, no. The stick. Give me the stick.
Come on. Oh, this is gonna be a sick pick. This is the pick right here. Yeah. See this, Norm? Oh yeah.
I bet, dude, you have no idea. I wanted a gap of fish my whole life. Here we are.
That's right, Rollo. That's right.
For a twist. I know.
Look at the freaking white sea bass. Calico in the back over here. Woohoo.
Got one?
Calico. Nice. Right on the mouth. I got it.
No, Calico is a great sea bass.
White sea bass, baby.
Ready? Deckhand. Pick it up.
Oh, there you go. Nice.
Get him over the rail, then do that.
Yeah, there you go, dude. Yeah. There you go.
White sea bass? White sea bass. God damn.
There you go. You got white sea bass. Still biting.
Pop it in.
There you go. Grab him, Lord. Grab him.
Can you get that
Oh,
one?
my boy's on over here. Everyone's on. Yeehaw. Calico. Oh, yeah, man. Into the back. Yeehaw. You can just fighting it. It's a good one. Ooh. That's a good one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's not a keeper.
Not a keeper, but it's good. Thick.
What you got?
Sick, bro. Thank you, bro. Look at that, you guys. White sea bass all day. Good stuff.
Ready? Come down from this. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Another one. Sorry, D. Another one. He went into the kelp.
They call him Johnny.
Hey, this one's heavy, bro.
Oh, oh, oh.
Woohoo! It's a good one. Good legal for sure. Oh, look at him! Look at him! Oh, hold on, Lord. I need to get him out the car. Look at him! Oh, damn!
Oh, I see a big old calico down there going after me. Keep him in the water.
First fish, you guys. Oh, it came off. White sea bass, baby. I'm on.
Here you go, son. You're here again.
White sea bass. Another one.
Leave him in the water.
Leave him in the water. Leave him in the water.
You're gonna hurt him.
Don't hurt him. Come on, you guys. Oh,
They're here.
They're here, you guys.
Oh, yeah, Johnny. Trips.
Look at that one. Yeah.
Keep him in the water, John.
Okay. This one's a good one.
You're good.
Look at him. Crazy guy. I see bass, baby. Heck yeah, bro. Heck, another one, you
every
guys.
time.
Another one. Yeehaw. Hey, baby. I got him this time, you guys. Yeehaw. Oh yeah. Why sea bass on the bottom, you guys? There's George.
Hold them tight.
Oh, let him go, let him go. Come out. It's stuck on the kelp. It's okay, Lynn. It's pretty good. There you go, come on, come on. There you go. There we go, baby. Calico again right there.
Another calico?
Yeah. Oh, he's a fighter. I got it. I got it.
Done?
Yeah. There we go.
Anything? We'll take a picture, then we'll throw them back in?
It's a good one. Alright, here we go. Pablo. That's something crazy, I think. Oh yeah, good one. Yeah, right there, no, right there. Oh. That. Look at that, you guys. Nice. Get him out the kelp, Holmes.
I just want to see it. I just want to see it.
Let's see. He's out.
Oh, nice calico.
Calico. Dang. Look at that thing.
nice one. Crushed it.
Perfect one. All legal calicos here. On the plastic. Nice. Calico, let's see him, let's see him. Nice. I'll get him for you. Let me see that thing. Just hold the weight for me. Nice bird. That's good. My sea bass are back.
Keep them in the water, Mijo. Keep them in the water.
Look at that thing. I'm on. Let me see that. Oh, I was off.
My boy.
Let me see that. Let's see
Give me
that.
some.
Woo! I'm on right now, you guys.
Oh, guys on.
Yeah, baby. Straight to the bottom right here. What's that? What's that? Calico. Calico's on the bottom.
Fisherman on the boat right here. Hey, Johnny. You're keeping him right. Hell yeah. Easy.
I don't know what's happening, but a lot of dolphins, a lot of birds. They're going to the left that way. This is sick. Whoa. Let's see. Yeah. Eagle, baby. Nice. Later. Whoa, whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
Lap it up here.
Nice.
That's right.
Good one. Nice. Last one, you guys. Calico. We're getting close. Good one to end it off. Had 2 good trips. Had a good weekend for us. Baby. Oh, damn. Alright, you guys. We gotta make one more stop. He's still there. Oh. Don't mess up, please. Come on. Oh, don't tell me there's a kelp. Oh no, he's right there. Hey, this is a big one.
Yes, Captain, yes.
Yeah.
Where's your...
It's in my backpack. My backpack on the side. Alright, you guys. Let's see what it is. This is big, bro. That's all I know. This is big, bro.
I want to see it. I just want to see it.
It's good. Hurting my arm already.
Don't let up. Don't let up.
What is it, bro? Oh, I see my leader. Alright, we're getting closer. Do you see anything? Any color? You see the color right now. Watch. See anything? There he is. Big old halibut. Or is that halibut or
Sand
sand bass? Big sand bass, bro. Big sand bass. Oh my goodness, bro. You ready? Look at that thing. Bring him over. Oh damn! Just grab the line and then pull him up. There you go. Grab the line. Grab him in the mouth. Grab him in the mouth. Who cares? Who cares? So you got it. Nice, bro. On the zoom. Dang, bro. Are you serious? Just drop it. Dude. Oh, he's flipping. Woohoo. 19, baby. 19. Oh yeah, he wasn't going anywhere. Big old lips. Oh, sorry.
Sonny, they want to keep it.
You guys want to keep it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah? Damn, bro. Are you serious?